Hello, in this video I want to show you how to customize your character in Naraka Bladepoint. And to do this we'll need to finish the tutorial, and here we are in the lobby. We can go on characters and then select whichever character you like, and after you click on it you'll be able to customize it. And customization in this game it goes quite far, as you can see, and you can pick between the different presets that are available, or also click on this plus button to create your own faces, and there's sliders for basically every part of your face, and you can customize it however you like. When you're ready and finished with your face, click on save data as a new face, enter the name for the preset, click on OK, and then save and use. And as you can see, we have our face created. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.